How AI is revolutionizing disaster response. From data to action introduction. Natural disasters are becoming increasingly frequent, heightening the need for effective response strategies. Artificial intelligence (AI) is transforming how we manage these crises, ultimately saving lives by turning data into actionable insights. Importance with climate change intensifying. Extreme weather events predicted to rise by 50%. Leveraging technology for disaster management is critical. AI enables rapid processing of vast data, facilitating timely interventions that can minimize damage and protect communities. Key insights. 1. Predictive analytics. AI analyzes historical and real-time data to forecast disasters, such as hurricanes or floods, allowing for proactive evacuation and resource allocation. 2. Resource optimization. AI tools identify areas in greatest need during crises, ensuring efficient distribution of essential supplies. This was evident in the 2020 Australian bushfires, where AI guided firefighters to critical locations. 3. Real-time data processing. Drones equipped with AI assess damage instantly, providing first responders with crucial information. After the 2015 Nepal earthquake, AI processed drone imagery to map affected areas, enabling quicker aid distribution. Practical steps. 1. Data collection. Invest in technology to gather disaster-related data, including satellite imagery and social media feeds. 2. Develop AI models. Collaborate with AI experts to create and continuously update predictive models tailored to regional needs. 3. Training and simulation. Train emergency responders on AI tools and conduct simulations to familiarize them with AI-driven insights. Cautions over-reliance on technology. While AI offers valuable insights, human judgment is essential. Validate AI recommendations with experienced responders. Data privacy. Ensure compliance with privacy laws and ethical standards in data collection and usage to maintain public trust. Community engagement. Involve communities in disaster planning to understand their needs and ensure culturally sensitive responses. Conclusion. AI is revolutionizing disaster response, making it more efficient and effective. Now is the time to embrace these innovations and advocate for their integration into crisis management strategies. Are you ready to be part of the change? Discover how AI can be a lifeline in times of crisis. Video script, Saving Lives with AI, the Future of Crisis Management and Recovery. Introduction. Natural disasters are increasing in frequency and intensity. What if we could harness artificial intelligence (AI) not only to predict these crises but also to save lives? Today, we explore how AI is reshaping disaster response and recovery, enabling communities to better prepare for and recover from emergencies, why it's important. The rise in natural disasters, such as hurricanes and wildfires, necessitates more effective disaster management strategies. The United Nations reports that over 200 million people are affected by these events annually, making timely responses critical. AI can enhance these strategies, optimize resource allocation, and ultimately save lives. Main insights. 1. Predictive analytics for early warning systems. AI can analyze vast data sets, including weather and geological information, to predict disasters. By identifying risk zones, communities can prepare more effectively. 2. Resource optimization during a disaster. Efficient resource allocation is crucial. AI can determine optimal routes for emergency services, predict urgent aid needs, and manage supplies in real time. 3. Post-disaster recovery. After the immediate threat, AI aids recovery by analyzing damage through satellite imagery and drone footage, helping responders prioritize areas needing urgent assistance. Practical steps. 1. Invest in AI training for emergency personnel. Equip crisis management teams with AI tools and training to enhance decision-making during emergencies. 2. Implement AI-based early warning systems. Collaborate with tech companies to develop AI-driven early warning systems, ensuring timely alerts for communities. 3. Utilize AI for resource management. Adopt AI software to monitor and manage resources in real time, streamlining operations and improving response times. Common mistakes or cautions. Over-reliance on technology. While AI enhances disaster response, it should not replace human judgment. Experienced personnel must make final decisions. Data privacy concerns. Collecting and analyzing data for AI solutions requires strict adherence to privacy laws and ethical standards. Underestimating training needs. Effective use of AI demands proper training. Ensure teams are well prepared before a crisis occurs. Conclusion. AI has the potential to transform disaster response and recovery, making efforts more efficient and effective. By investing in technology and training, we can build more resilient communities. Don't wait for a disaster. Let's start preparing now. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who care about creating safer communities. Source list. 1. UN Disaster Response Overview. 2. AI in Disaster Management. 3. Post-Disaster Recovery Insights. Smart Solutions for a Safer World. AI Technologies in Disaster Relief. Introduction. Imagine a world where technology not only predicts disasters but actively saves lives before, during, and after they occur. With natural disasters on the rise, AI is revolutionizing disaster response and recovery. Today, we'll explore how these smart solutions are transforming crisis management, why it's important natural disasters devastate communities, causing loss of life, economic downturns, and displacement. As climate change exacerbates these events, our crisis response strategies must evolve. AI technologies enhance disaster response, optimize resource allocation, and improve recovery strategies, making them essential for community resilience and safety. Main insights. 1. Predictive analytics and early warning systems. AI analyzes vast data sets to predict disaster occurrences. Machine learning algorithms assess weather patterns, seismic data, and satellite imagery to provide timely alerts, enabling proactive measures to mitigate damage. 2. Resource optimization. AI streamlines resource allocation by predicting areas in need of assistance. By analyzing historical data and current conditions, organizations can effectively distribute supplies and personnel during crises, ensuring help reaches those who need it most. 3. Real-time data processing. AI processes real-time data from social media, drones, and sensors during disasters, allowing crisis management teams to make informed decisions swiftly. AI-driven tools can assess damage through aerial imagery, helping responders prioritize their efforts. Practical steps. 1. Understand the technology. Familiarize yourself with AI tools for disaster response through online tutorials or workshops. 2. Engage with experts. Collaborate with AI and disaster management professionals to tailor solutions for your community. Networking at conferences or meetups can provide valuable insights. 3. Implement AI solutions. Start small by integrating AI technologies into community drills or simulations to learn